Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to share with you my most favorite foundation. And you guys are probably going to laugh when you hear it because it's your standard Maybelline, which has been around forever. I have to say, I've tried all these different foundations, all these expensive foundations on the market. You name it, I've probably tried it because I love makeup. But I always just come back to Maybelline, and I come back to Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It gives me the best coverage. I don't know what it is. It's my favorite, and it's really the best that I've tried, and this is like my go-to foundation that I use every single day. So they have every color you could think of, like to match any skin tone. This is the one I usually use. I'll show you guys. It's the Nude Beige. That's like my normal skin tone. But now that it's summer, you know, we have to change up our foundation because we get a tan in the sun and stuff. So I've been using this color, Sun Beige. So Maybelline Fit Me is matte and poreless foundation. It's for normal to oily skin, which is good. I'm like combination skin. I'm like half normal, half oily. I have a really oily T-zone. I find that like my forehead and like my nose and like the bottom of my chin will sometimes get oily or greasy, especially when it's a humid day. So I need to find something that, you know, will help with that. And this just, it really is the best out of all the foundations I've tried, which I know is so funny because Maybelline is just like your standard, not that it's cheap, but it's very inexpensive and affordable makeup, and it just happens to be the best in my opinion. So it mattifies and refines pores. It matches your natural skin tone. Natural seamless finish. See the ingredients. I mean, the number one ingredient is water, which, you know, that's not saying a lot in a good way. It's, you know, you don't really want a lot of water in your makeup, but honestly, it works good, so I kind of don't care. Oh, another thing that I'm not a fan of with Maybelline though is that I believe that they do test on animals, and I do not like that. Maybelline, if you're watching this video, you need to stop testing on animals. It's 2018. We don't need to test on animals anymore. So besides those two things about Maybelline, I have to say I really like their products, and I've been using them for years. I mean, I was introduced to these. You guys can see the top too. So I just wanted to open these up and show you what they look like inside. Super easy cap. And you could apply this with a beauty blender, or you could just use your finger like I do, because I feel like when I use a beauty blender or something that is for makeup or for foundation application, I feel like it just gets more makeup on the applicator rather than on my face, if that makes sense. So I'd rather just, you know, blend it with my fingers and then wash my hands when I'm finished with it. So this color is the darker one that I've been using for the summer. So this is the Sun Beige. So this might look a little bit like darker than my skin tone right now because it's on my hands and not my face. But I just want to show you guys. I'm going to blend it in so you guys could see the coverage that it gives. Okay, so I just have it on my hand right now. So you guys can kind of get the gist. Like, it just rubs in really nicely, and it just will cover all your pores, and it'll just give you all the coverage you need. And then I put this on, and then I kind of seal it with another, like a powder, a pressed powder, kind of just seals it in. And then I put on my eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, eyebrow gel, and then I'll put on, not every day, but a lot of times I'll put on like a spray, like a setting spray, so that the makeup just stays good all day. I have to use it more often in the summer because, you know, the makeup will just melt off in the humidity. It's horrible. The struggle is real. And then this is the other color. This one is the one that I was using like in the winter before I was in the sun. This one's the Nude Beige. You guys can see this is like a lot lighter compared to the Sun Beige. So this is the Sun Beige, and then I have the Nude Beige right here. Full coverage. Doesn't make me break out, which I like a lot. A lot of times makeup will make me break out, especially in the summer when you're like sweating. But I've really never had that issue with these at all. So good for normal to oily. And I love the packaging too, the glass bottles. I think they're so pretty. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Again, that's Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation Liquid. I hope you guys try it and love it.